So this is what I tested. When you hit the power button right here, first of all, we'll turn on the power. When you turn on the power, you have the LED turn on. That means that we're getting powered. The fuse is good. It goes 120 volts. This connects that allows the 120 volts to go to your transformer here. And that goes down to 21 volts. AC current goes in here. Your rectifiers are working. This converts it into plus minus the pins right here to DC current. The two bottom ones are ground, and you have negative and plus 15 volts right here. Over here we have also plus 5 volts. So these things are working right here. The only thing that I noticed is this chip does heat up a little bit. This chip could be the issue. Could be a problem with the main board. But what I found was the display does not turn on at all. And so you get on connector 1 here. On connector 1 here, this is 5 volts here. 5 volts goes to this little IC right here. This is like a fuse, N10. That's like a fuse right there. And you should be measuring on this one 5 volts. And I'm measuring only 0.6 volts there. And this should measure when it's off almost 0 ohm resistance. I was measuring in the kilo ohms. So therefore there was a short on this the control panel board, and that's to do with all your buttons and such. So the issue is probably with the IC. You can actually find the data sheets online. It's a SX-PX103 user manual, and my guess, because here's the fuse and it's gone, it's probably to do with this IC here, but I'm not too sure how easy it is to get that fuse. There's 7-segment display controlled by this IC right here, the gate array IC1. My guess is this IC1 is shot.